want both?
Too much.
I
It's
love
2,000 Jamaican for both. 2,000 Jamaican is like 5 hours of work. If you don't remember, like the average here is like 400 Jamaican per hour.
You understand?
You want to make babies?
Flew across the sea, reached paradise land. Jamaican vibes live up, we stand. Young man girls with the rhythm strong. That's one night, chanting with song. Leave all the troubles, leave all the
Yeah, we just look some want fruit.
We want fruit. Everything you have. Listen.
Ma.
Come to me, come to me.
רגע.
Camera to me, listen. This market here, in the market, answer to me. You are the audience that answer.
Yeah.
This market,
We see the market.
everything, whatever you want. What you saw in the supermarket, terrible. Just go to the market.
Yes, of course.
Obey.
You have here all the things you wanna eat and try, you know? Pineapple, patata, sweet potato, yam, cabbage, pickled pepper,
That's your favorite.
watermelon. You have my favorite?
What?
Sour stuff?
Sour stuff.
You have sour stuff?
No! Why? Do you have jackfruit? What do you have? I see only papaya. I don't want mango.
I don't want mango. What is your mango? Right.
You don't like Julie mango?
How much for this?
What?
400 Jamaican for 1 hour of work.
Season now.
1 hour because it's on the season. 1 hour.
One
of
mango.
work.
So we don't have anything to eat.
No,
Just
there is papaya.
I don't want. Oh, okay, papaya is good. Let's see another. You see it? I want sour stuff.
Oh, really?
So why did you say that you don't have? Ah! Ah! He said that he has sour stuff and I want it. Ah? Come, baby. Oh,
Much for this one?
it's really ripe, no? People, I love sour stuff, you know? This is my love.
For the pineapple.
Okay, 1 hour of walk, yes.
This is for 8 bar and this is for 12.
I think.
You will say, what do you think? I don't know.
I think.
It's like, depends on what you want. This one is bigger, obviously.
Both of them are good,
They're ripe now.
in your opinion? So we want a lot, no?
You want both?
Ah, no, we don't need both.
I will take
Too much.
I
it's
love
2,000 Jamaican for both. 2,000 Jamaican is like how much? 5 hours of work. If you don't remember, like the average here is like 400 Jamaican per hour.
You understand?
No more, no.
Little baby.
Yeah, we need to grow vegetables.
Tomatoes.
Now I understand why a lot of people grow vegetables.
Of course.
Sorry.
Yes.
So is it the season of peanuts?
No, it's
So-
not.
Summer?
You would see it on the streets.
Yeah, I know.
This is what?
We- What is that?
You want to make babies? This is the
What?
plant you need. It's called
Really?
sarsaparilla.
Can you do it in
Sarsaparilla?
photo? Can you do it in photo?
You know when I'm
Sarsaparilla?
speaking in photo. But yeah, this is sarsaparilla.
What does that
Like
mean?
a tree, it's like a-
I think we
you take
saw
for
that.
it.
That's what you did in Israel?
What? What did you need? This one.
You
You
take
want
it.
a baby?
I wanted this thing into actually.
So you're taking it? It's tasty in the tea?
It's not about taste.
Me also, it's about taste, you know?
Go there. Oh.
It's easier to just get from the car.
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
it's a car drive.
No, it's not now. No.
No, it's not John Plum.
What? What is this? Not June plum, something else. What is
Nisberry.
called? Nisberry?
It's
Ah, I don't like Nisberry. Oh my god, yeah. Wait, no, maybe June
It's
plum.
no, you
I don't like one of them. I'm not sure.
You don't like-
How should I try it?
break it.
Just and then. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, taste the Nisberry.
It's like sugar.
Yeah,
Wanna try it?
I tried it. You don't remember?
You liked it, no?
It was really sweet for me.
It's sweet.
Thank you.
Mm. Now it's better actually. June plum is the yellow one.
Yeah.
This
I
is
don't
this
know
berry.
the taste of it. Like I don't know how.
No,
to
we never
describe it.
tasted something like that. I bet you Jenny really loves this. Jen, I have a present for you. I have a present for you.
4-5, Nisberry.
Look at you now immediately. Ah, you eat it with the skin?
Okay, did you wash it?
No.
I don't know.
I need to wash it to.
Oi. It's fine. They don't put stuff. Just a little water.
Just wash the skin. There.
So the pineapple is sweet. Jen, I want one pineapple. Which one is the sweetest?
All of them are.
You sure?
Sure.
This is pineapple. Let's try pineapple. First time tries. On the watermelon.
Okay, we'll do
This
that.
is how she. I feel like I'm going with my father to a fruit store. I just tell him what I want and he just get it going.
Yeah.
When I'm using my teeth, I feel like I'm you. But basically, it's father.
It's father.
I know. But usually, I don't like to do it. But sometimes you don't have a choice. 1 hour later. It's like magic. Very sweet.
A little ananas.
A little pineapple. What else is getting there? What's it? You look like an animal. Ay, it's funny. What's now? Oh, he's talking about his fertility teeth.
He needs to prepare himself before.
Really?
For what?
For having a baby, no?
Yo,
You took
yeah.
it? You didn't take this also.
No. I took the pineapple.
You want to go in the market?
She wants you to buy the pineapple.
You.
I have $2 American dollar.
Look at you, man.
Yeah, we already paid.
Ah, you are together? It's one store?
No, it's
Oh.
separate.
You see, it's separate stores. This is the market.
Who brought stuff? Sour stuff.
The other store.
We're in a dilemma.
Sige. We're in a dilemma.
Who bought the sour stuff and
Dilemma
who
is in
bought
English.
the, yeah. And who bought the pineapple? You know?
Good, huh?
Oh, so soft, Chanel. It's not oily. It's not dry.
What?
Yeah.
Finally, you are not dry.
You have an oily skin now. You just wanted the sun, you know?
He needed the
I
sun.
want to go in the market.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Let's go here. Without the tough part. So you have here.
What is this?
It's watermelon. It's melon.
Oh, really?
Cantaloupe.
Cantaloupe. How do you say it in Where are you going there? Okay. So what can I say? We are going now into the clothes market, you know? This is the that. אני לא מצלמת אותם. Okay, everything is closed. Close people.
What a nice market. No one wants us to take videos here.
Bustling because I wanted to. I wanted to eat tamarind.
No one wants us to shoot here. So they cover their face. So
Yeah, we will not shoot them. We are.
need to pay attention.
Yeah. But what I wanted to say to you, I wanted how do you call it?
Doesn't make sense.
Tamarind. Let's go there. We wear their stuff. Yeah. No, it's not closed. Not here. There.
Once you see here,
Hello. Hello. Madan, it looks like guava. What is that?
call it again.
How they call it? Look, this is Simos. How you call it?
I don't remember. I think it's pop. No, it's not pop. I don't remember the name of it.
Pop choy.
Yeah, it's,
Hello.
Straw market has tamarind.
Where?
So they don't have.
Look, this is the aloe vera. Hello.
don't need any herbs.
Herbs? No, thank you. Chanel, you need any herbs? No. Oil for the skin? No, thank you. It looks sad today, huh?
Yeah, because it's okay.
Is the one who called Bar? You remember?
Huh?
This guy that called himself Bar?
Who called himself back?
You don't remember the guy in the market?
From where?
Here.
Really?
Yeah. The guy with the juices it was.
Who is selling here?
I don't know. So, Elet, what are you saying about your experience in the market?
Maybe. I don't know even how to start to explain to you how thrilled.
Being
It's really-
cynical, you
No,
understand?
no, it's really nice, but now there is not really much people and not
Much vibe, and we like the vibe
usually it's a good
on the market. Huh?
Usually it's a good vibe. And next time, you know.
Next time, people,